Happy Friday, folks. So the lighting, okay, much better. Okay, so I wanted to talk about urgency in life, where when opportunities are presented, some people wanting to take shortcuts in order to get to success just based on what they've seen of other people and believing that there are shortcuts in life, seeing that somebody's already achieved the results and believing that it is just as quick to get there, either the success level or the education level, wanting to take shortcuts. Yes, I was recommending to somebody that trying to get to their destination very quickly will just impact on them missing out on the ingredients that they need to help them become successful. So there's never a get there quick scheme or a get rich quick scheme. I'll use an analogy such as thinking about babies. We never really rush them or encourage them to become toddlers, teens, and then adults. We give them the opportunity to develop and grow and learn. But when it comes to ourselves, sometimes we don't give ourselves that opportunity to learn. Recommendations: choose something you know that you would be great at and find very easy to do, that you would be interested in continuously learning about. Take the time to learn and understand. Like it like it was your second language. The more you know, the more confident you become, the more you attract the right people. Don't expect to get rich quick, make money so easily. Focus on adding more value to your niche market. When you expect quick results, that means that you're missing the powerful tool to connect you to your prospective clients and other business opportunities. When you think about money as your sole goal, the likelihood is that when you don't earn it or you don't see results, you will quit and move on to the next thing. Remember, it is never about the next best opportunity. It is about the golden key that is already within you and waiting to become unlocked. You are the key to your own success. Next time when you see an external golden opportunity, ask yourself, does it align with your life purpose and values? Once you have found you and what you are great at, surround yourself with experts in the niche market and with like minds. Learn on the go from podcasts, audiobooks, YouTube videos. There's always time, especially if it's something you know you're good at and could be great at. Your life vision, mindset, consistency, adding value is what will help you gain success and financial rewards. Thanks for watching. Your feedback matters.